Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. First of all, launch your WhatsApp app in your mobile device. After that, over here we can see the tons of chats. What you have to do is simply press one of the chats like this, and in the top right corner we could see the three dot icon. Select there, and right over here on the bottom we could see there's a block option under the lock chat. Select block, and that is it. But if you want to give any reasons in order to block, you can simply select the reason for blocking. But if you do not find other reason, you can simply select the other option, and if you want to type down the reason, you can also type that, but it is optional. And if you want to report it and block it, you can select the small box that says report business and select block on the bottom right corner, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.